Everyone desires to maintain a young and smart personality by having sparkling teeth. In fact, having shining teeth is the best secret behind a cool, beautiful smile, and is why everyone puts an effort in maintaining the natural whiteness of the teeth. Having yellow teeth is a common problem that makes people so uncomfortable. However, there are certain natural home remedies that can also be applied to get whiter teeth. Today I will give you some tips on natural white teeth whitening. Lemon is proven to have a high immune-boosting power, healing, and antibacterial properties. It is not only used for skin disorders, but for whitening teeth as well. Just extract the juice from a lemon and mix with warm water and use it to rinse your mouth. You can also directly scrub your teeth with lemon peel to give them a white look. You can also add some salt in drops of lemon juice and apply the mixture to stained teeth. Rub some toothpaste over your gum and teeth on top of the mixture, then wash after a few minutes with normal water. When regularly practiced, it results to clean white glowing teeth. Baking soda is considered to be one of the best ingredients used for discolored teeth. Make a solution of the soda by adding 2 spoons of cold water and use it as a whitening solution. You can as well dilute some baking soda and use it as paste. Salt is proven to be the best dental cleansing agent for getting white teeth. It enables the teeth to regain whiteness as it helps in refilling any lost mineral that the teeth require. However, in using it, one needs to be careful not to be rough during application, as salt is harmful to the gums and enamel. 1 apple a day can be eaten to remove any stain from the teeth. Chew the apple properly to extract malic acid, as the fibers help in removing the stains. Subscribe to our channel for more tips.